Dear students, in this video I will explain how to use MS Excel for data analysis. I also introduce an Excel add-in, namely Megastat for data analysis. And in this video, first I will explain how to utilize the data analysis utility available with the Excel. So to utilize this, you just open an Excel sheet. Open a blank document. Now you click File and below that there is an icon Options. When you click Options, a new dialog box will appear where you will see Add-ins. Click on it. And when you click on Add-ins, you will see many items here. You click Analysis Toolpack. Analysis Toolpack. Then click Go. Now, as you can see, Analysis Toolpack will come here. Then you just make this active and give OK. Now you go to Data. When you click Data, you will see Data Analysis here. And this Data Analysis option give you many statistical analysis. For example, as you can see here, there is histogram, moving average, random number generation, rank and percentile, regression, sampling, t-test, paired 2 samples for means, t-test 2 sample assuming equal variance, t-test unequal variance, z-test 2 sample for means, then ANOVA, single factor, 2 factor, with and without replication, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, f-test for 2 sample variances, Fourier analysis, histogram, moving average, etc. etc. These are the various facilities available with the Excel. Once you activate this analysis toolpack, you will get it whenever you open an Excel sheet in your computer. Now, in this computer, I have added a statistical software which is an add-in. As you can see, the add-ins. When I click add-ins, there is a Megastat. I will explain the facilities available with the Megastat later, but as you can see, there is descriptive statistics. If you click on descriptive statistics, and if you select a data, there is mean, sample, variance and standard deviation, minimum, maximum, median, box plot, stem and leaf, runs plot, dot plot, and empirical rule, tolerance interval. A lot of options are skewness, kurtosis, etc. All these you will get. Once a data is selected here, that I will explain. Then just below that you have frequency distribution. If you give a quantitative, then this option is available for uh, presenting data using charts like histogram, etc. Quantitative data or qualitative data. You have histogram that we will explain later. Then below that probability, counting rule. If you click on counting rule, you will get a factorial, permutation, combinations, etc., which we have explained. Then discrete probability distribution, two distributions, binomial and Poisson, we have introduced. Then then continuous random variables, normal distribution T. These distributions we have covered. F, chi-square we will consider later. Then confidence interval for mean for P, sample size for mean, sample size for P, etc., etc. A lot of options here. Then hypothesis test, mean versus, that is one sample mean test, two independent groups, paired observations, proportion versus hypothesized value, compare two independent proportions, chi-square variance test, ANOVA, one factor, randomized block design, two factor ANOVA, correlation, regression, time series, trend curve fit, decentralization, moving average, etc., contingency table and the like, non-parametric tests, Seil, Runs, Wilcoxon, Kuxel-Wallis, Friedman, etc., and generation of random numbers, etc. Now, the question is how to install this Megastat. Megastat is a free software. You just type Megastat and you can download it. When you download Megastat, an icon will appear like this, Megastat. You click on this icon and install the Megastat. After installing Megastat, you go to File, Options, then Add-ins. Megastat will be here. Add-ins, Megastat will be here. Click on Megastat, go. Megastat, as I have already installed, Megastat is there. Then you click here, Megastat will be active. Give OK. Then this add-in will come here. And from this add-in, you can take Megastat. As an example, I will show you a simple example. I take a data. Okay. This is a what to say, a data set. I have opened another sheet. Okay, and I click add in Megastat. Suppose that I want the descriptive statistics. I take this DPA, only one variable, having 244 observations, and mean, median, mode, etc. I click all these. I click all these, everything, and I give OK. And what you will see here is, see, number counted 244, mean, sample standard deviation, sample variance, minimum, maximum, range, and you can see a lot of things here. See, this is the box plot. As we have discussed, median, first quartile Q1, Q3, minimum, maximum. The whiskers are these, no outliers. The dot plot is here. Then runs plot, normal curve. This variable is not normal because it is not linear. So all these will be available in just one click. Again we go back to, that means what I say is Megastat will give you a lot of options for hypothesis testing, arranging your data, and so on. So you install Megastat as an add-in. In addition to the the data analysis tool pack available with the Excel. As an example to this, you consider how we use, for example, descriptive statistics. Before that, you have to select a data. I selected the data PCE, and I will show you how I perform data analysis. I mean descriptive statistics. Okay. You have options for summary statistics. Okay. Input range missing, please enter OK. So input range, I selected a few. Okay. And I have this mean, standard deviation, median, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, summa, counter. So many descriptive statistics are available. We will consider each one in future classes. For the time being, my purpose is to introduce the data analysis tool pack available with the Excel, and also a simple Excel add-in, namely the Megastat. I suggest that you practice, you copy and paste, or you type your data in your Excel sheet, and just go through some of the tools, procedures we have studied using these two software options available with the